Congrats on your iBaby M2C upgraded version! Included in your package is everything you will need for a successful installation. Now, open the iBaby Care app. If you haven't done so, create an account. Once you're signed in, tap on the monitor you will be installing. Connect your device to a power source and make sure your home Wi-Fi is on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. If not, installation will not be successful. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password. Now, you're ready to scan the QR code.
Scan the QR code.
You have two options on scanning the QR code: by holding the M2C directly in front of your iPhone, or placing your phone on a flat surface and pointing the camera towards the code. Once you hear,
"The QR code was scanned successfully. Wait for connection."
Tap on Continue. Once you hear,
"Connected to the network successfully."
Tap on Continue. Now, wait until your device connects to your home Wi-Fi and installs. Congrats! You have now quickly and easily installed your iBaby M2C upgraded version. If you have any questions, email our customer support at support@ibabylabs.com.